Hi, CJ Delvecchio with Warren Real Estate here at my new listing at 102 Old Stage Road in Groton, just outside the village. And I'm here as always to show you a little bit of the inside of the house. And of course, you can get your own tour and you can just reach out at any time, phone, text, email. Let's turn this camera around and front deck. You can see the home is set well off the road and is set on 2.55 acres. Coming inside, we have a beautifully renovated open living room, dining kitchen, and a big picture window. Great for bird watching. Beautiful cherry hardwood floors. Gorgeous 8-foot center island with granite countertops. Custom Kraftmaid cherry kitchen. Again, granite counters, newer appliances, stainless tile flooring. We have great inside spaces and great outside spaces. I can't believe that it snowed last night, but indeed we have a little snow. They have a great screened-in porch here, expanded back deck, new slider door here, and also a new bay window here. Again, perfect for bird watching, just outdoor, indoor spaces combined with a beautiful setting. And this is a tri-level design, so there's actually 4 levels if you include the basement, but we have family room, laundry room, 3rd bedroom down, and we're gonna go upstairs. And you have an expanded, oversized primary bedroom at the top of the stairs. It was originally designed to be 2 bedrooms, and then it was really made into a very large primary bedroom. And we have a 2nd bedroom here. And this home is just move-in condition. Beautifully appointed. We have a new upstairs bath. Actually has a heated mirror. Again, a granite countertop. Actually, I think this is quartz. To check my notes on that. A beautiful tile job all the way around, including in the jet tub. Plenty of closet space as well. So, peak of the tour of 102 Old Stage Road, and of course, you'll have to call me to get inside to get a full view of the property yourself. And thanks for watching my video today.